Khongsom War Memorial Trust today expressed strong displeasure over the Manipur government's decision to stop publication of Khongsom Day booklet. The trust has demanded clarification from all officials in this regard. The rate of malaria cases in More town in Teknopal district bordering Myanmar has considerably climbed down now because of increased prevention and control measures. However, with the onset of summer, the authorities are set to take up preventive measures along the Manipur sector of Indo-Myanmar border, which is a malaria risk area. The second KOUBRU expedition 2019 Vision Clean and Plantations was flagged off today. A 14-member team of Nawang Sports Academy sector, including its coach, is taking part in the expedition. Imphal West Police Commando today conducted house-to-house search operation in Tangleban and Kuyatong areas. Separately, Imphal West Police Commando carried out combing operation in Imphal City. An incident of cloudburst has been reported from Arunachal Pradesh Bomdila, the headquarters of West Kameng district yesterday, causing widespread damages to the places in proximity of the township. Hospitals in Tripura faces shortage of blood. Many organizations, clubs and voluntary organizations has prepared a calendar for organizing blood donation camps in next few days. Health Minister Sudip Roy Burman urged every able-bodied person to come forward to donate blood to save the life of critical patients. The sacked Supreme Court staffer who has leveled sexual assault charges against Assam-born Chief Justice of India Ranjan Gogoi gave a 2-hour testimony before the SC panel. Reports stated that Supreme Court appointed 3 judges in-house panel headed by Justice S.A. Bobde began proceedings on the sexual slur charges against the CJI and recorded the complainant's statement for over 2 hours. Former Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister Omar Abdullah alleges that Prime Minister Narendra Modi has once again surrendered before separatists and militants by not holding assembly polls on time in Jammu and Kashmir. He claims that most political parties are ready to take on these forces by ignoring their threats and poll boycott. Hundreds of Air India passengers today were left stranded at several airports across the world as its check-in software stopped functioning for around 6 hours. Sri Lankan security forces exchanged fire with suspected Islamic State-affiliated militants and killed at least 4 of them in the east of the country today. Following this, as many as 15 bodies have been found at a house in Santa Maritu, located in Sri Lanka's Eastern Ampara district. The development comes in the wake of Sri Lanka's highlighted search for suspects linked to the Easter Day serial blast that claimed over 250 lives last Sunday.